Hello folks, welcome to another video. So today you are going to see a new series called as Tools, Features and Reviews, where I'll be taking some tool and showing you what are the features and some of the reviews. You guys can comment in the comment section if you want any tool reviews that we are going to use. I'm a cybersecurity researcher, so I'll be showing you the tools related to cybersecurity or else some general purpose also. So if you want any tool, please show it in the comments. So today we are going to see about a tool called IDA Free. The version is 9.0. So this is a malware reverse engineering analysis tool. So what is reverse engineering? You guys know malware. It is something that is doing something malicious. Reverse engineering means we take the malware file and use some of the strategies to study that file. We have two strategies normally, that is static analysis and dynamic analysis. Static analysis is reading through the code and dynamic analysis is loading the file in a live environment and see how it behaves in the processes, etc. So let's say we want to do static analysis. I think IDA Free is one of the tools specific to Windows environment. It is useful for doing static analysis. So here when you do static analysis, there is no language, high level language code such as C, C++ or Java, JavaScript, nothing is here. Here we only have the binary file. So we can only translate a binary file into an assembly language to the binary back. We can't go to a high language from which it was created. So here we can change it into a assembly language, and we have to use this to read through the assembly language. So I'll show you how to load a file. You go to File, Open, and you select the file you want to open and open it. So this will open the file. Since I have already opened the same file, it's showing like this. I'll just put load because it's already using it, it's not opening it. So that is the reason. So I don't want to pretend to be an expert in IDA Pro. I'm also a learner like you guys. I'm kind of good in malware engineering, but not malware reverse engineering, but not in expert in this IDA Pro and assembly language. So this I wanted to show you how we can kind of explore this tool to do some static analysis in assembly language. So this is a simple file, very low file size, that's in KBs. So you can see what are the functions and what are the functions it does in assembly language. Registers. Here you can select the main function here, which will be the starting point. It will give you some general information about that file and how it using its disassembler. It's making this mapping, and you can see here it starts here how the assembly language is working here. So what it actually does is in case of assembly language, it uses some system calls and also pushes some data into registers and does some data manipulation. So I'm also not an expert in assembly language. I'm also a learner like you guys. So I wanted to show you some of the features and an introduction to this file. You can see it kind of maps the program flow like this. And also you can see green and red. Green, which means if it's true, it goes to that. If it's false, it goes to here. So it's kind of a control flow kind of thing, decision making kind of thing that is represented here, and it's very easy. So the persons who are good in assembly language can use this tool very efficiently, and it has a lot of features you guys can explore. I have explored some of the features, but I think for the free version itself, the features are very much high, and also in the paid versions you have extra features like running the assembly and debugging it, etc, etc. Here you have a simple debugger, but it's not that much efficient like the paid version, but for starters I think this is totally sufficient. When you want to start it, it will ask you to execute. Please make sure you do it in a sandboxed environment, because what you are actually doing is you are executing a function inside this Windows machine, which can be kind of harmful for your machine itself. So I would totally recommend using a test device to make sure you don't affect your files and your accounts, etc. So this is a starter for you guys. You can see that a lot of assembly language. So using this, you can find out what the malware actually does, and also you can understand how a malware intricately actually works without the dynamic analysis. only using the static code. So this is how we can use static code to understand a malware. And IDA Pro, I recommend you guys as a starting point. If you want to get into assembly language, I think it's a very much good tool to explore. So that's it for today, guys. Please like, share and subscribe, and let me know if you need any other tool review. The upcoming tools which I'm experienced in will be much more detailed to explain all the features of it, guys. See you in the next video.